Well, good day everyone. By the way, I am Christine Joy Santiala and I am here to discuss to you what is quantum entanglement. We know first the history of quantum entanglement. So ang nag-una jud ani si Albert Einstein, si Boris Podolsky, and Nathan Rosen. So he introduced the quantum entanglement in 1935. So they did this while discussing a thought experiment called the EPR paradox. So their goal was not to support entanglement but to question quantum mechanics. So Einstein called entanglement it is a spooky action at a distance because when two particles entangled, so measuring one instantly affect the other, so even if they are far apart to each other. So Einstein was uncomfortable kay siya with this with this because it seemed nga iha butang gina-break ang rule that says that nothing can travel faster than light. So he believed that quantum mechanics was incomplete. So after that, in 1960, si John Bell, usa siya ka physicist, created a Bell's theorem. So ihang theorem experimentally test the universe, the universe behaves according to physical physics, or ihang gi-prove that quantum entanglement is real. So ang quantum entanglement, ang entanglement sa two particles is kuan jud siya tinuod jud siya. So this was a major breakthrough because it turned to philosophical debate or into a testable experiment. So after that experimental confirmation in 1980s, so kini si physicist Alain Aspect, so he performs based on Bell's theorem. So ang result kay ang entanglement gyud daw exist and classical physics cannot explain this result. So ang classical physics daw dili siya ka-explain based sa result sa iyahang experiment. And then so in simple summary, so si Albert Einstein and other scientists discovered the entanglement but doubt about it. And after that, si Einstein calls it spooky action at distance. Then in 1960s, si John Bell shows how to test entanglement. Then gipudayon ni Alain Aspects in 1980s that iyang experiment is iyang gi-prove that entanglement is real. The entanglement is considered one of the most weirdest phenomena in realm of quantum mechanics that fundamentally distinguishes it from classical physics. So imagine, so if you have two particles, so the particle A and particle B. So when these particles become entangled, so their quantum particles like spin become connected or linked to each other. So here's an analogy. So imagine na kay duha ka gloves, one red gloves and blue gloves, and you put into different boxes. So without looking, so dili mo lantawon. So if you were to open one of the boxes and find a red glove, so you would immediately know that the other box contains the blue glove even without looking inside it. So nakabalo na ka kung unsay sulod ato nga isa ka box. If nakita nimo nga katong isa ka box is red siya, so there's a possibility makuan mo sa imong mind nga katong isa ka box is blue ang sulod ato or blue ang gloves nga sulod ato. So the gloves are entangled in a way that their colors are connected. So in the quantum world, entanglement works somewhat similar, but it's even more peculiar when two particles become entangled, so their properties are connected in a way that you measure the property of one particle, it instantly affects the other, no matter how far apart they are. So even nga bisan paglayo kayo sila. So si Albert Einstein, so the spooky action at a distance, so is a term coined by the Albert Einstein. So ihang describe ang quantum entanglement. So it refers to the phenomenon where duha ka particles nga naglink o kanang nag-share in a kanang single quantum state regardless of the distance separating them. So they are sharing kanang single quantum state, and ang katong duha ka particles naglink siya regardless sa ilang distance separating them. So I have here a problem. So there are two electrons are prepared and they entangled. So this kaning arrow na sa mabaw, it is spin up, and arrow na sa abos spin down. States along the z-axis. So the first question is this state separable or entangled? So a separable or kanang non-entangled. So state can be written as kanang nasa screen. So the given state is as a position of two joint states and cannot be factorized into single particle states. So we can conclude that the state is entangled. So the question number 2 is, what is the probability that both electrons are measured with spin up along the z-axis? So the coefficient of both electron spin up kaning duha ka arrow nga naa sa mabaw, there kanang two particles or spin up is 1 over square root of 2. So muna siya atong coefficient, and atong probability kaning P is probability symbol. Ang kaning P symbol is that kanang probability, then open parenthesis, 2 particles spin up, close parenthesis, and equals open parenthesis 1 over square root of 2. So that is our coefficient of both electron spin up. Then close parenthesis, squared equals 1/2. So the probability is 1/2. It is a 50%. So our kanang probability of the both electrons is 1/2. So that's the answer.